Welcome to the SERVE workshop. This video will help explain some of the materials we will be using today and throughout the study. You should have a workshop folder with you. This folder contains everything you need for today, as well as some other materials for the rest of the time you participate in our study. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Inside your folder, you should have a Veterans Crisis Line card, your study schedule, workshop materials, and a team contact information sheet. In the left-hand side of your folder, you should see a Veterans Crisis Line card. We give this card to all of the participants in our study. It'll look like this. What will happen after today? Also in the left pocket of your folder, you'll find a sheet of paper titled SERVE Schedule. This is your timeline for your involvement in the study after today's workshop. Notice that the date of your workshop is listed here at the top of this page. Approximately 2 weeks and 4 weeks from today, one of the facilitators that you will get to know will call to check in with you, see how you're doing, and review some of the things learned in this workshop. These dates and times are all listed on your schedule, and it's very important that you let us know if you need to reschedule any of these dates. You'll also complete surveys at 6 weeks, 3 months, and 6 months from today. The purpose of this project is to understand if these workshops are helpful to veterans in adjusting to post-deployment difficulties, and to inform us if A, we should keep doing these workshops, and B, if we should expand these workshops to outside of VA facilities. Hence, it's very important that you complete the follow-up surveys in order for us to learn all of this information. Depending on the preference that you indicated when you first completed the surveys, the follow-up surveys will be sent to you either by mail, which is on paper, or online, where an email survey link would be sent to you. Now let's look at the right pocket of your workshop folder. This side contains materials that we will use for today's workshop. Please note that the materials in this video are provided as an example, and the materials in your folder might be slightly different. However, the facilitators will go over everything with you during the workshop. Don't worry if it seems like a lot of information right now. These are also for you to take home and look at during your free time. During the rest of the time that you participate in our study, who will you hear from? Our Houston team is tied to both Baylor College of Medicine and VA Healthcare. In the left pocket of your folder, you should find a contact information sheet. Here we have all of our team and all of our contact information. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. You'll also be hearing from us with reminders throughout your involvement in the study. That's everything included in your folder, but what other workshop-related materials will you be receiving? You will be mailed a certificate confirming your attendance and participation at today's workshop. You'll also receive additional materials that the facilitators will tell you more about as the workshop progresses. Please be on the lookout for a packet from our study in your mailbox. Our virtual workshop today is meant to follow along with the patient manual that you received in the mail. Though the PowerPoint that we use may look a little different from your manual, rest assured that all of the information is the same. We are thrilled to have you here with us for the SERVE workshop and hope that you enjoy today. Please feel free to ask any questions.